On this episode, we're going to talk about DeNet. DeNet is a DePIN storage layer, and it is one of your final opportunities to make a potential 100x in crypto. We're also going to get into a step-by-step tutorial on how you can download the app and then get into the DeNet Academy, which is finally live. So you guys can earn a bunch of free tokens. Use the link tree. This will help guide you step-by-step to ensure that you are getting free tokens and you are also on the right website and using the proper app. So guys, like, comment, subscribe, and get ready for this epic video. The first thing I want to start off with, what is DeNet? DeNet is a DePIN storage layer. It is a new approach to storing the world's data. This project is very interesting and we are early. They have industry-leading backers such as Spartan Group, NGC, Shima Capital, and of course, 1inch and more. This is the world's only DePIN storage layer with tokenized RWA capacity. Utilizing unused storage capacities, DeNet empowers people and businesses to regain ownership of their data. As you guys know, data is the new oil, and in fact, most data is centralized, meaning it is on one server, typically with one entity. Think of Google. With DeNet, we are utilizing the blockchain and our data is now decentralized. So our information is not on one single server, it is distributed across the blockchain. Taking a look at the network performance, proven security and reliability since 2017, there has been 15 million files protected in over 194 countries. DeNet could be the solution to the global data leaks problem. Because it uses blockchain technology, files are distributed across the blockchain. Direct client to node interaction, eliminating third-party access. So your data is not in a centralized location. Again, it's all about security. DeNet hits on storage, finance, audio editing, music, streaming services, 3D modeling, NFTs, social media, podcast, and more. It's my opinion that data is one of the top sectors you should be taking a look at when it comes to investing in a crypto. Not only can you get in early on this project, but you can get tokens for free. So we'll talk about that here in just a second. There are two main ways you can earn DeNet. One is by running a node, and the other one is by utilizing the Watcher node, which is an app. So one is going to be becoming a data keeper. This is where you store user data and earn. And the other one is by monetizing via your phone. It's very simple. We've done a bunch of videos. That's what we're going to talk about in this tutorial. Before diving into the tutorial, I recommend that you guys head over to the link tree. So in the comment section, as well as in the description of every video, you will see this link tree. Scroll down to new projects, 100x cryptos, click on DeNet. That's where you are going to take your phone and download the app. The app is phenomenal. For those of you who have already been participating, comment down below. Let me know if you've been earning tokens and if you've been pleased with what you've already earned. So we have a bunch of videos right here on the channel. Ultimately, all you're going to do is launch and earn tokens. It is very simple. In my opinion, it looks very great as well. Use the link in the link tree. All you're going to do is tap the button, follow the different tasks. The ones that I recommend most is just to launch and earn. So you're going to earn right away, and then you're going to claim. And then there's also these DeNet tasks. I've already done quite a few today, and we've done other videos in the past, but make sure that you use the link tree, use the referral, and get those free tokens. Next is the DeNet Academy. In the app, you're going to see the DeNet Academy. You're going to click there and you can begin to watch and learn. So you're going to take the Web 3.0 basic course. I already pre-recorded this. So I went through the path from Web 1.0 to 3.0. So not only are you going to learn about DeNet and what this all means, but you're going to earn free tokens. So I've already done this. It's pretty straightforward. And I believe it was February 2nd where the core Web 3.0 technologies lesson was available for you to earn. So go through that. It is very simple. It is very easy. Guys, let me know if you've downloaded the app, and I think it's pretty sweet. So the moose has been getting loose on the app. We are reaching near 1 billion tokens. So I don't know what the price is going to be of this project. DeNet storage ultimately protects your data, and it is decentralized. That's the only thing you really want to keep in mind, but it's also built for enterprise. So this is a big deal. That's why I've been talking about this project for quite a while. So we could be getting into something that could do extremely well when it launches. That's all we have for you guys. We will see you in the next one.